I know I did a video last night dealing with the denial of the motion to stay in connection with the Debouragh Rodgers case. However, I did want to do a slightly longer video, sort of summarising where we are from my long live stream the other night with Debouragh. And firstly, she asked me if I would provide a link to a case, and I'm doing that in the description to this video. Now, the first thing I'll start with is displayed on the screen, and it's from the F.UK.T band website, and I wanted to draw your attention to the fact that Kitoas can request trials for criminal cases. I would ask Debouragh why she hasn't requested this. I think a fair assumption would be that she hopes to be successful in her argument that the Cherokee Nation of Oklahoma do not have jurisdiction over her, and that the United Kitoa Band would not exercise their jurisdiction in this matter. We saw last night that she is still somewhat in bed with delete laws, and surely this wouldn't be the case if she was fighting for the rights of her tribe, and if that was the case, the tribe would be backing her 100%. I know in my live stream with Debouragh I did raise this case, the state of Oklahoma v. Victor Manuel Castro Huerta. However, I didn't have to hand this Amicus brief filed by the UKB. When I finish talking, I will let the whole case scroll. However, I'm just going to go to the end of the brief, and as you will see on the screen, while on the ground, the UKB exercises exclusive jurisdiction over its trust land, and the CNO exercises exclusive jurisdiction over its trust land, the question of shared jurisdiction within the remainder of the Cherokee Reservation remains open, and I believe this was the location of the traffic stop. The decision below did not address the question, and the court should refrain from addressing it until the issue is properly before the court. For the foregoing reasons, the court should find in favour of respondent, but should not delineate the exclusive or shared nature of CNO and UKB tribal criminal jurisdiction within the Cherokee Reservation boundary. So you can see from the UKB point of view, the question of jurisdiction between the UKB and the CNO is not a settled matter, and Debouragh is potentially correct that at some point it may be determined that the UKB has sole jurisdiction over her in that place where she was stopped. However, her arguments concerning the legitimacy of the CNO are not the way to go, in my view. I'll repeat again, I think her tactic is to try and argue that the CNO has no jurisdiction over her and get away with it because the UKB won't take up the matter. Right, this video will conclude with the whole of the Amicus brief scrolling. I won't talk any further. Thanks for watching.